An absolute important panel on your vehicle is the firewall. Your firewall is what divides your cabin from the engine compartment, from the pedals to heating, AC, and steering columns. The firewall houses many important components to your classic. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 and 69 GTO Tempest and LeMans steel firewalls. Each firewall panel is stamped from 20 gauge steel using case hardened steel tooling for accuracy and authentic fit. In addition, our firewalls are available pre-cut for with and without AC, as well as blank slabs for custom modifications. At the end of the production line, every panel is treated with a special protective coating called electrodeposit primer. This is also referred to as EDP coating. EDP coatings help protect your part from rust and corrosion, so it'll be ready to paint and prep on your schedule. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.